Hi, welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 MY20 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross LS in that stunning blue. Now, what I'm going to do is actually walk you around and show you the features and the awesome design of the Eclipse Cross. Now, at the front end, you can see it does get that dynamic shield look in the front end with the chrome grille and the Mitsubishi badging situated right in the middle of that big, bold black grille. You've also got nice sharp headlights in these models with daytime running lamps in them, so it does give you a very elegant design and it helps you actually be seen in low light or glary conditions. You've also got the fog lights and indicators just built into that front bar there. Now, if we make our way along this side of the vehicle, as you can see, the Eclipse Cross does get a very sharp design to it, so all the curves and edges does make it a very aerodynamic and quiet ride. It is a smooth and beautiful vehicle to drive as well. The design of the wheels, you do get that multi-spoke design with the chrome face and the black background, so if it does get a little bit dusty on the black, it's not going to actually stand out. The chrome will stay clean and it does contrast and look quite nice, especially with the angles and the shape of the vehicle. Now, being the LS model, you do get keyless entry, so when you press the button on the door, it does fold your mirrors in, and when you press it again, it does unfold them. The indicator is actually built into that mirror there, just to give everyone around you a clear indication when you are turning, but it also helps clean up the quarter panel. Now, opening it up, we'll have a look on the inside. You do get a nice cross-stitch design on these seats. It does have a manual adjuster for the height and the backrest, and the design of the doors and the seats does help you get in and out of the vehicle quite easily, so you just step out and you're not going to worry about scuffing these up too much. The mud guards on the doors also help maximize the space inside the cabin and gives you a lot more comfort on the inside. The back seats in the Eclipse Cross, it is easy to get in and out of because the doors do open at a full 90 or almost 90-degree angle, and the seats, if the camera can capture it, they do actually slide forwards and backwards. So being on rails, it does give you the option to make more space, and they do also fold almost flat. So it is a very well designed car. They've thought about everything when they designed it. Now, the back windows do have privacy glass, but what I'd highly recommend you ask us about, especially coming up into summer, is how we can actually match that tint on the front, give you the premium window tint, plus the UV protection and the added safety benefits of the film on the back windows. Now, making our way to the back of the Eclipse Cross, it is a, once again, fantastic design by Mitsubishi. You do get the split tailgate with the extra windshield, which does actually improve visibility. The taillight does go straight through the middle there. Now, the rear wiper is hidden just under that spoiler, making it, once again, a lot more aerodynamic. On the back end, you have got all your parking sensors and the reverse camera. Opening up that tailgate, in the back here, you do get plenty of space. There is a cargo blind in here, which you can just pull closed if you wanted to keep everything private. Underneath the floor, you've also got your space saver spare, plus your jack and tools. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way along the passenger side. As you can see, once again, in the blue, it does look absolutely fantastic, so please do ask us about the glass coat and how we can offer you a lifetime warranty. But for now, the fuel filler cap is actually on the passenger side, and that is the safe side, which is always good to know. Guys, the Eclipse Cross is a fantastic vehicle, very well set up and beautifully designed by Mitsubishi. What we're going to do now, though, is actually pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine. Now, the turbo in these vehicles, although it gives you an awesome pickup, it is just made to save you some fuel, give you a good pickup, and then regulate your fuel consumption once you are up and running. The 3-point strut brace in the engine bay is going to give you a lot more control around corners. Just hold your whole chassis together, prevent it from swaying and leaning into corners. The vehicle does have an 8-speed automatic gearbox, which makes it a very smooth drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, which is always good to know when you are looking at a new car. And it has got 7 airbags. Now, the power output from the engine is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 250 Newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 litres and you can run it on your standard 91. Fuel consumption is about 7.3 litres per 100. and the average fuel distance depending on your driving style is about 863 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Eclipse Cross LS, now on the driver's side door, on the handle here, you do get all your power mirror controls, so there is a button to actually let you fold them in if you want. On the door itself, you do get your power window controls, and they are all automatic up and down. Above that, you've got your central locking buttons and your window lock. Now, on the right hand side here, there are a few buttons for your MyTech safety systems. If you want more information about the MyTech safety options in this vehicle, please do ask us about it, because we can go into as much detail as you want about them. But in terms of buttons, you have got forward collision mitigation, you've also got your lane departure warning and your stability control. Down the bottom again, you have got your parking sonars, 2 blank buttons, and your headlight adjuster. On the right hand stalk here, you've got the fog light controls, your high beams, as well as your dusk sensing headlights and automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got all your washer and your rain sensing wiper controls. So once again, just leave them in auto, the car will decide when it needs to use it. Behind the steering wheel, you've got 2 paddle shifters if you want to switch gears manually, and on the steering wheel you've got cruise control on the right hand side with all your media and hands-free functions on the left. Now, having a look in the center display, it is a really nice display in the middle here with all your touchscreen functions. You've got AM and FM radio, you've also got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, popping it in reverse, you do get a very nice reverse camera as well in these vehicles, so you can see the rear bar in that camera, which makes it very easy to actually back up. Down below again, you've got your temperature control, so just set the temperature with the one on the left, press auto, and the car will regulate the temperature for you. You've also got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket with some storage if you wanted to keep your phone there while it's plugged in. Now, the shifter, you can drive it as a normal auto, or if you bump it to the left into sports mode, you can shift through your gears manually. You do also get that nice trackpad down here, which does let you actually flick through the screen fairly easily. 2 fingers will let you swipe through whole displays, and you've got a tutorial on the last page. Now, behind that again, you've got your electric park brake and the auto hold, plus 2 cup holders with the adjustable grommets if you did want to put various size cups in there. Also got a leather wrapped center console, and when you open that up, there's some storage here for your sunglasses and more storage underneath that. Now, not going to spend too long panning around the interior because you've pretty much already seen it, and it does present like new. So what we're going to do now is jump outside and wrap up the video. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Eclipse Cross. As you can see, it is a beautiful vehicle and it does look absolutely incredible in that blue. So ask us about the glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. The other thing I would highly recommend is the Platinum 1 program, which will give you another 5 years of cover on top of your existing new car warranty. It does also come with up to 10 years of Platinum nationwide roadside assistance and much more. They are awesome ways to protect your vehicle, and being a Mitsubishi dealership and considering your savings already, do ask us about our genuine accessories and how we can help you protect your vehicle and customize it exactly how you want it. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before I go, you need to check out our Google reviews. We are sitting on 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from customers all over the country. It does show that you are dealing with a good dealership, buying a good quality vehicle. We are going to look after you from start to finish and make the process nice and easy for you. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.